morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. In the last classes, we are discussing about the congruency. What are congruent figures, congruent triangles? In that congruency, we discuss about the SSS congruency and SAS congruency. In today's class, we will discuss about the ASA congruency. Here, what do you mean by ASA congruency means if any two if any two angles and side included between the angles of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two angles and side included between the angles of second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA rule. That is, then those two triangles should be called as the congruent triangles. Here we have to consider two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ASA congruency ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ one side of one triangle should be equal to two angles and one side of the another triangle, then those two triangles are equal. That means they are congruent to each other, and that congruency is called as the ASA congruency. Here we are considering the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this here, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Two angles equal adva, and side between angle B and C, next angle Q and R. B ಮತ್ತು C ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ in between these two angles BC ಇದೆ. Q ಮತ್ತು R ಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ QR ಇದೆ. That is BC is equal to QR. These two angles, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and the side between these two angles is BC and QR. These two sides, that is the two sides BC and QR are equal. Hence, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and that congruency is called as the ASA congruency. That means angle side angle congruency. Next, after that here we will discuss some problems based on this congruency. Here, check in the given figure the two triangles are congruent or not. They had given one figure, that is ABA-C is a quadrilateral. BC is the line bisecting this quadrilateral into two triangles. ABC is one of the triangle, BA-C is the another triangle. That is in the figure, triangle ABC and triangle A-BC are the two triangles. ಯಾವ triangles ಇದೆ ABC ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು A-BC is the another triangle. Here the two angles, which are the angles? Angle ABC is equal to angle A-BC, that is equal to 35 degree. ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ 35 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ angle ACB is equal to angle A-CB, that is 45 degree 45 degree. ಆಮೇಲೆ BC ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, that is BC equal to 13 centimeter. Hence two angles and one side of two triangles are equal. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle ABC should be equal to A-BC. Next after that ACB is equal to A-ACB. ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ASA congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A-BC. Next after that RHS congruence. RHS congruence ಅಂದರೆ right angle, hypotenuse and one of the side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side congruency of triangles. If the hypotenuse and a side of a triangle, right angle triangle, is equal to the hypotenuse and a side of the second right angle triangle, then the two right triangles are said to be congruent by RHS rule. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ XYZ ಮತ್ತು RST, these two are the right angle triangle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Y 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ S 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿದೆ. hypotenuse ಅಂದರೆ the side which is opposite to the right angle is called as the hypotenuse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ವೈಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೆಡ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈಪೋಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಟಿ ಆರ್. ಈ ಟಿ ಆರ್ ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈಪೋಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. The side which is opposite to the angle 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse. And here in this given figure, the hypotenuse xz is equal to rt. xz ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, rt ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. And the side yz is equal to st. yz is equal to st. And angle y is equal to angle s is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle xyz is congruent to a triangle RST, and this congruency is called as the RHS congruence. That is, we have to consider two right angle triangle. ಆ ಎರಡು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ hypotenuse of both the triangles should be equal, and one of the sides should be equal. Then those two triangles are congruent to each other, and that congruency is called as the RHS congruency. Here we will solve some problems. That is, check are the given triangles are congruent or not. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿದೆ. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ is equal to ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ is equal to 90 degree, and we have to consider any of the side. That is, AB is equal to DE, that is equal to 5 centimeter, and the hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse here, AC, and DF is the hypotenuse of both the triangles. Therefore AC is equal to DF is equal to 8 centimeter. Hence one side hypotenuse and one angle equal to 90 degree of one triangle is equal to one side. Hence these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore here the given triangles are congruent to each other because of the RHS congruency. Here we will solve the exercise problems. Which congruency criteria do you see in the following? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್, and they had given the condition AC is equal to DF, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF. ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. AB is equal to DF and AC is equal to DE, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF. Therefore by the SSS congruency, two triangles are congruent because all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Hence the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Next we will consider the second problem. Here in the given figure, ZX is equal to RP. ZX is equal to RP. RQ is equal to ZY. Angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. Are the triangles congruent to each other ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ